Can I turn this thumbnail into something people actually want to click? I think I can. Today, I'm going to redesign this YouTube thumbnail in just 2 minutes. And while I'm doing it, I'll explain every change and why I think it makes the thumbnail better. In my opinion, a great thumbnail should be simple, clear, and grab your attention in less than a second. So, let's get started. First, let's look at the original thumbnail. I don't think it's a bad thumbnail. In my opinion, it already has a good idea. But I think there are too many things competing for attention. We have the face, the microphone, the product box, the text, and even an arrow. When everything is important, nothing feels important. Problem 2, the product. I think the biggest problem is the product. It's just too small. This video is about the microphone, so the microphone should be the first thing people notice. In my opinion, making the product bigger makes the message much clearer. Problem 3, the product box. I also think the product box isn't helping. Most people don't click because of the packaging. They click because of the product. So, I'd remove the box completely and give all the attention to the microphone. Now, let's fix it. First, I made the microphone much bigger. Then, I moved the face into the background. In my opinion, the face should support the product, not compete with it. After that, I cleaned up the layout and added more empty space. I think a cleaner design is easier to understand at a quick glance. Finally, I improved the colors and contrast to make the product stand out even more. Final comparison. Let's compare both thumbnails. I don't think the original thumbnail is bad. I just think it can be even better. In my opinion, my version has one clear focus. It's cleaner, easier to understand, and hopefully more people would click on it. And if you enjoy videos like this, subscribe because I'll be fixing more YouTube thumbnails very soon.